Welcome to this ARM tutorial, reviewing multiple trials. In this session, we'll cover best practices for reviewing multiple trials. We'll explore validation tools, organizing assessment data, and classifying trial reliability, all designed to make your review process faster and more consistent. Let's start with how reviews have often been done manually. Traditionally, a reviewer would click through every site description tab to check for missing information. Scroll through the assessment data headers to see if everything was filled in correctly. Then, type up an email listing what's missing, before repeating the entire process for the next trial. That's not only time-consuming, it's easy to miss details. That's where validation comes in. Validation automates your review process, instantly finding issues that would take you much longer to spot manually. When you validate a trial, ARM performs the following tasks: refreshes calculated and translated fields, performs cross-checks, like verifying that if a unit is entered, a value must also be filled, flags inconsistent dates, such as an assessment in 2024 for a 2025 trial, or an initiation date that comes after an application date, checks all study rules, and reports errors for failed required rules, and warnings for failed recommended rules. There are two ways to run validation. Use Tools Validate Trial to show one error at a time. ARM takes you directly to the field to fix it. Continue to use Validate Trial until all errors have been corrected and the file passes validation. The second option is to use Tools Validate Trial, Log Errors. This creates a complete list of all errors and warnings found, perfect for larger reviews. Use the clipboard button at the bottom of the list to copy all errors and warnings and paste them into an email. Choose the method that best fits your workflow. Validation gets even more powerful with study rules, customized checks that reflect your specific research needs. Here's how to build them. 1. Start with a trial walkthrough. Identify pain points and common requirements, anything that's often missed, like GPS coordinates, climate zone, or harvest dates. 2. Create rules for each of those fields. 3. Save your list for reuse. Later, you can load that same rule set for any trial and run validation for instant feedback. Rule sets can be organized and saved by discipline, crop, pest, or other relevant categories. Bonus tip: you can even incorporate these rules into SEs for assessments, so validation is built right into your workflow. Next, let's look at assessment column view options, a great way to review and organize your data efficiently. In the assessment data view, you can use match field filters to show only the columns relevant to one specific value. ARM hides the rest for you. Use the sort column to group ratings, like by rating type, and even display them as tabs for quicker navigation. Under Entry Status, switch between Empty to find empty assessments, Data to view completed columns, or both for a full picture. And once you have a layout that works for you, use Save View to create a named view you can return to any time. Finally, let's classify trial data to make it clear how reliable each result is. You can exclude data points from analysis while keeping documentation. Just add a comment like equipment error for traceability. Then, assign data column reliability. Exclude means no conclusions should be made. Good means results can be used for conclusions. Best means they can be prioritized in summaries. Each data column has shortcut buttons for assigning the reliability ratings. For overall trial reliability, use the reliability field in the general trial section of the site description. Options range from high, good, marginal, to low, cancelled, or unknown. Each one describes how useful that trials data is for summaries or reports. Since there is no industry standard scale, consistency within your organization is key. By combining validation, study rules, organized assessment views, and reliability classification, you can review multiple trials in a faster and more consistent manner. Efficient reviews lead to more reliable data and stronger research outcomes.